Hi, my name is Austin Christensen. I'm the president of AMC Links. I want to thank you for the opportunity to show you our system and show you how easy it is to order an appraisal through our platform. So I'm going to show you how to create an account, and then we'll walk through an actual appraisal order. In order to create your account, you're going to come up to the top under sign up or login. If you already have an account, this is where you could simply log in. If you do not, this is where you would click to sign up. Enter all your company information in here so that once you do log in, you're not typing repetitive information. It's auto-populated for you. So we're back here at the home page. We have two ways to go from here. One is we can request an appraisal, or the other is we can check in comp solutions. This is where most people like to start if they want some kind of a ballpark idea of where this, where the value might land before they pull the trigger and order an appraisal. So we have two products in here. One is a restricted use appraisal. This is for non-disclosure states. The other one is an AVM for full disclosure states. Both products are more accurate and useful in an urban to suburban area. If you get in an outlying rural area, neither product is going to be of use for you. The AVM will automatically throw out an error if it cannot produce an AVM, and your card won't be charged. The restricted use appraisal will be more of a verbal or an email of we're either able to produce one, or you will get a message saying that there is no charge and we're unable to produce the RUA. So if you go back out to the home page, once you've decided whether or not to order, you can simply click on Request an Appraisal. Once you enter the zip code, the city and state is auto-populated. And you can hit Continue. We have all of our product menu here. At the top, you have your most popular product, which is the single-family 1004 and the FHA. This is where you can also select more than one product. So if you have an investment property and you need a comparable rent schedule and an operating income statement to go with that, just simply flag the applicable products and hit Continue. You can either log in before you start this order, or you can log in right here. Since I'm the account holder, this is my email and password. This is where the sales receipt will be sent to. And as you can see, it auto-populates the field with my information and my company information right there. To the right, we have our subject property information. And you can simply go down through the process and flag what's applicable. Is it an attached property or a detached? Is it an investment property or primary residence? Down here on the left, we have your borrower name. A home phone is a mandatory field. The more phone numbers we have for your borrower, the easier it is for the appraiser to be able to contact a borrower and set the appointment. But the cell phone is not mandatory. This other address information here is only applicable if it's different from the subject property address, for example, investment property or a purchase. Right here where we have the email the appraisal to, as you can see, my email has auto-populated because I'm the account holder. The email field below is a mandatory field, and it's our attempt to assist with HVCC delivery. I'm sure as you're aware, HVCC states that the borrower has to get a copy of the appraisal no less than 3 days prior to closing, or they can waive that right. So if you put your borrower's email address in here, they are going to get a copy of the appraisal sent to them at the same time it's sent to you. If you do not want that to happen, just go ahead and enter your email address in there again, because it is a mandatory field. Below that, where we have our browse buttons, this is for If the property is a purchase and you have a purchase agreement saved to your desktop, you can simply select one of these browse buttons, go out to wherever you have stored the item, and attach it. So you can attach a Rep C, you can attach title, plans and specs, cost breakdown, whatever might be applicable. Over here on the bottom left is a place to communicate anything that you feel would be of assistance to the appraiser or to us as the AMC. If the borrower's out of town and you would like somebody to call on Tuesday, whatever you need or feel is applicable to communicate to us, this is a place to put that. Anything except for a target value. Anything that could be of assistance. This is the best spot to relay that information to us. Once we have that done, this is your shopping cart. It's a place for you to double check the products you've selected. And you can at this point either choose to pay now with a credit card, or you can select bill the borrower. If you have the borrower's credit card information or you're going to pay with your own credit card, you're best to select pay now. If the borrower is uncomfortable giving you their credit card information, or you are uncomfortable having that information, you would want to select bill the borrower. We'll go ahead with the pay now option, and I'll explain what would happen with the bill the borrower in a minute. Now that we've got that information entered, you can hit continue. It's a place to confirm the order. This is our service agreement. And once you hit finish and pay, it tells you that your order has been processed successfully and a sales receipt has been sent to my email. So if you're the account holder, a sales receipt would be sent to your email. And this is where you'll have a link for 24-hour tracking, as well as a copy of the sales receipt with the borrower's name attached to that sales receipt for your reference. So what we'll do at this point is we'll open up my email and I'll show you how the sales receipt works.